Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel Pappu Career Guide, a complete guide for all your career needs. So friend, this is the first video on YouTube, like how TCS is requirement, like Ninja, Digital, or you can also add a Smart Hiring, BPS, MBA, and all the requirement. How they are hiring, what's next after giving the exam, step-by-step process, detailed information in one with a time duration. After watching this video you are able to know that yes, what the next step after writing my exam, and how what are the mail we are supposed to receive, okay, and what the time duration taken by the each and every steps. So let's start this video. So friend, this is the first video on YouTube who is discussing all these things, because I'm sitting over my chair like in 7:30 p.m. and right now 10:30 p.m. So almost 3 hours I took to create this particular video for all of you guys. Please यार लाइक जरूर कर देना, क्योंकि काफी ज़्यादा टाइम लगा इस वीडियो को बनाने के लिए. तो चलिए अब इस करते इस वीडियो को स्टार्ट. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, whenever you are writing your exam and after qualifying your exam you are getting a badged option. Okay, badged option means you are ready to give your like teachers ready to take your interview. Okay, so basically here you can see I written 1 steps 2 3 4 5 6 and 7, and one I arrow directly from 1 to 7, because currently teachers requirement direct offer letter. After writing your exam you will get a direct offer letter. So currently this is recruiting, as you all know that, because most of the candidates who written exam in November, December, January, February, and also March, they got direct offer letter without taking any interview. So you can just say that currently TCS recruiting direct offer letter, not taking any time of interview. But जिसका किस्मत अच्छा है उनके पास आता है, जिसके पास किस्मत अच्छा नहीं है इसमें नहीं आता है. आप लोग में से काफी लोग पूछते हैं कि सर आई रन 2 कोड्स बट आई डिडंट गॉट एनी अपडेट. बता दो फिर मैं ऐसे काफी लोगों से बात किया हूँ जो लोग कोड रन एक भी नहीं किए, उनके पास भी डायरेक्ट फिल्टर देखने को आया. तो ये मिथ अपने दिमाग से निकाल देना. चलिए अब देखते हैं. तो ये हो गया बेस्ट. बेस्ट मीन्स यू कांट update your profile in next step portal to update your resume, anything you can't able to edit. And best means you are ready to give your interview, or else you are ready to get direct offer letter also. Okay. So first mail you will receive this type of mail, TCS off campus interview. Okay, before that you are supposed to get a timeline of the interview mail. As I discussed earlier, you will receive a particular timeline like 11th March to 14th March. Your interview will be your interview is there, and after this you are going to get this type of mail. Okay, and okay, I will add one more picture over there. Okay, I will add one more picture over there for receiving your timeline of your interview date. I will add after getting this video. Okay, so this is the second mail you will receive, like congratulations being shortlisted for TCS of hiring. The interview process will be scheduled this week starting from tomorrow. The detailed interview will be sent the day before your interview, and after that you are like this is your exam. Okay, this is the actual exam. Okay, and this is your hall ticket. Whenever you are getting a hall ticket, so no need to worry for that, because the teachers currently are taking the interview online, so no need to worry. Just prefer your just select your location 1 2 and 3, what like जो भी आपको मानो, आपको जाने का जरूरत नहीं है. हॉल टिकट आफ्टर showing hall ticket it will be automatically going to be vanished and disappear, so no need to worry. So there is no use of hall ticket, there is no use of hall ticket. Okay, so next. uh, so basically this is a interview invite mail. This type of mail you will receive, okay, for the interview invite. And after that you are supposed to get a TCS interview round 2. Okay, this is also you can call DV round or HR round. Both are same, because they will check your document. Here you can see date they will mention, and your duration is 10 minutes. So basically this is your HR or document verification. Then the mandatory documents are there. Okay, so after that you are supposed to get a direct offer letter. Okay, after clearing your HR DB राउंड. कभी कभी क्या होता है, आपका एक ही सिंगल राउंड इंटरव्यू दोनों आपका हो जाता है. कभी कभी एचआर को बाद में मेल करते हैं कि फॉर प्लीज काइंडली सेंड मी डॉक्यूमेंट्स. ओके, तो ऐसे आप लोग का होता है. तो ये रहा कंप्लीट प्रोसेस. एंड किसी का लक अच्छा होता है तो उनके पास डायरेक्ट ऑफर लेटर देखने को भी आ जाते हैं. तो ऐसा भी होता है. ठीक है, तो ये प्रोसेस हो गया. आई थिंक दैट्स इट फॉर दिस वीडियो. आई थिंक आपको समझ में आ गया. फ्रेंड बता दूं, सभी में जो ड्यूरेशन होता है ना, वो 7 दिन से 10 दिन का होता है. सभी में आप एग्जाम से बेस्ट बोलो, बैच से हॉल टिकट बोलो, हॉल टिकट से इंटरव्यू मेल ये बोलो, लेकिन हाँ टीआर से एमआर में आप लोग सेम. सो देयर इज अ 7 to 10 days ऑफ टाइम ड्यूरेशन डिपेंडिंग अपॉन योर रीजन एंड योर एचआर, कि आपका एचआर कौन है उस पर भी डिपेंड करता है. तो मिलते हैं आपको. जय हिंद, जय भारत. अगर वीडियो को अच्छा लगे प्लीज एक लाइक जरूर करना.